Today, we're going to talk about writing about the small moments that happen in our lives. Have you ever had a tiny moment that stuck with you? Something small, but it felt big. I like to zoom in on small moments. Zooming in on small moments in writing means taking a tiny, everyday moment, like blowing out birthday candles or catching a snowflake, and turning it into a big, detailed story. Instead of saying, I had a fun day, you focus on just one part, like the way the candles flickered or how the snowflake melted on your hand. This makes your writing more exciting and helps readers feel like they're right there with you. Have you ever had a tiny moment that felt really special, like it stayed in your heart? Maybe it was the first time you rode your bike without training wheels, a kind word from a friend, or even spotting the little ladybug on a leaf. These are what we call small moments, and they make the best stories. By adding details like what you saw, heard, and felt, you make your story come alive. Here's another small moment. A friend says something kind like, You are really good at drawing. Instead of saying, My friend was nice to me, zoom in. Write about how their words made you feel. Did you smile? Did your heart feel warm? Maybe you thought about how much you loved drawing and felt proud. Or how about finding a tiny ladybug? Instead of just writing, I saw a ladybug. Zoom in and describe it. What color were its spots? How did its legs tickle your hand? Did you wonder where it was going? These details make your readers feel like they are with you in the moment. Can you see how fun it is to zoom in? You don't need to write about a whole day, just one small moment full of details. So here's your challenge. Think about a small moment from your day. Maybe it's the sound of your dog barking when you got home, or the way your mom's hug felt before school. Write about it and include as many details as you can. Remember, the tiniest moments can make the biggest stories. Now it's your turn to be the storyteller. I can't wait to see what small moments you zoom in on. My Pizzazz thanks you for joining us on this writing journey. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. If you like your story, get an adult to proofread it and help you with uploading it on our website. We can't wait to read your story. Have a great day.